today we're unboxing the Mission Belt 3-pack, which we've got right here. I love this box that the Mission Belts come in. It's got a little magnetic thing here, and the packaging is really nice on these. So I got a 3-pack of these belts after having a Mission Belt that I've had for a long time, and I needed to get a new strap, and then I was like, why don't I just get a couple more belts because they're so convenient. So once we open it up in here, we can see what we've got. This set I got with, it's got kind of like a, I don't know, utility or hiking style belt. So it's a web pattern here, which I like for if I'm going to be outside. And then it's got this nice buckle on it. We'll put that back in there and try and look at the next one. The next one we got is a, this one I believe is a brown belt, and then you've got the brass buckle on there, or molted brass, I guess, whatever you want to call it. So I like that one as well. And what's nice about this is that it basically gives you kind of like everything you need for belts, in terms of you get a sport belt. If you're hiking or something, you get a brown belt, and then you get a black belt, which is this one right here. So you've got everything you need for black shoes, or if you've got brown shoes, you can match with that, or something a little higher end. And this one's got like a, looks like a stainless steel, really nice polished finish there, and is going to look nice if you are dressing up. Now, what's nice about the Mission belts is that you can swap any of these buckles on any of these belts really easily. And then the other thing that I really like about Mission belts is that you are able to ratchet these together. And that's the main reason that I got one of these 3-packs, and why I love Mission belts is because they're infinitely adjustable with the ratchet clicks rather than having holes on a belt. And that's really comfortable and convenient for me. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Mission belts.